A quantity surveyor QS is a vital profession in the construction industry. Quantity surveyor, role and responsibilities. A quantity surveyor is a construction industry professional responsible for managing costs, contracts, and financial aspects of building projects. Key responsibilities: 1. Cost estimation and budgeting. 2. Tender preparation and evaluation. 3. Contract administration and management. 4. Cost control and monitoring. 5. Risk management and mitigation. 6. Value engineering and optimization. 7. Project planning and scheduling. 8. Collaboration with architects, engineers, and contractors. 9. Ensuring compliance with regulations and standards. 10. Final account settlement and closeout skills and qualifications. 1. Degree in quantity surveying, construction management, or related field. 2. Professional certifications, for example, MRICS, PQS. 3. Strong analytical and mathematical skills. 4. Excellent communication and negotiation skills. 5. Proficiency in construction software, for example, Autodesk, Revit, MS Office. 6. Knowledge of construction laws, regulations, and standards. 7. Strategic thinking and problem-solving abilities. Types of quantity surveyors. 1. Contract QS focuses on contract administration and management. 2. Commercial QS emphasizes cost management and commercial aspects. 3. Development QS specializes in property development and feasibility studies. 4. Infrastructure QS works on large-scale infrastructure projects. Career path: 1. Junior QS assists senior QSs and gains experience. 2. Senior QS leads projects and teams. 3. Associate QS oversees multiple projects and develops business. 4. Director, partner, leads QS firms or departments. Salary range approximate: 1. Junior QS, $40,000, $60,000 per year. 2. Senior QS, $60,000, $100,000 per year. 3. Associate QS, $80,000, $150,000 per year. 4. Director, partner, $150,000, $250,000 per year. Professional associations: 1. Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors RICS. 2. Australian Institute of Quantity Surveyors AQS. 3. American Society of Professional Estimators AS.